Hi guys, Rita Ree here. So today I'm filming a 5-minute quick get ready with me. So I had my hair in braids for 2 days, and then I'm gonna go ahead and undo the braids just so I can get the natural curly look for this get ready with me. And I really like this look, especially for mom life. It's really easy. I just shower, braid my hair, and then 2 days later I just take it out of the braids and I have a nice curly look. Start off with the Instant Natural Vitamin C Serum. And I'll just go ahead and rub that all over my face. And for this look, I only used my hands. I didn't use any brushes except that you'll see I just used the brush for my bronzer. And then this is the by Tarte. It's a hydrating base. I really love it. It's really amazing. I actually got it from one of my Ipsy bags. So I'll go ahead and apply that. Then I'll go ahead and use my BB cream by Maybelline. I love it. It's my go-to for a more natural look. I usually always apply this with my hand. I don't like to use a brush. And then I'll go ahead and use my Maybelline Stay Matte Concealer. I believe that's Physicians Formula bronzer. And then I could just apply that on my cheekbones, do like a W, on my forehead, on my jawline, and my cheekbones. And now I actually got this eyeliner from Forever 21. I've been using it. I don't know if they still have it, but it's actually one of my favorites. I love the way that it goes on and it's long lasting. And I'm not a perfectionist when it comes to doing my eyeliner. I try to make it look even as possible. It's a work in progress, as you see. And now I'm using Bare Minerals Lash Mascara. It's actually one of my favorites. I've been using it for a while. I actually need to buy me some more. On some days I'll actually not put on eyeliner if I just want to go for a more natural look without the eyeliner. I'll just not use the eyeliner and just put mascara on. And then for my lips, instead of going with a lip gloss, I'll just go ahead and use a chapstick. And lastly, I'll be using setting spray, hydrating setting spray by Grwm. Just fan that out, let it dry out, and basically that's the finished look. And then just put my hair down, and that's how I get my 5-minute look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.